Team GLM has just released AutoClaw. Your AI assistant just moved into your chat app. Today we are looking at AutoClaw, a desktop application by the AutoGLM team, the same people behind the GLM models we use constantly on this channel. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. You can see that we have been covering OpenClaw and its variants for quite some time, plus we also have thoroughly covered these GLM models. Now, this AutoClaw is a bit different from OpenClaw and its variants. AutoClaw sits inside your existing chat apps like Telegram, WeChat, WhatsApp, and turns them into a full AI agent interface. No terminal, no config files, no dashboard to learn. You just send a message describing what you want done, and AutoClaw breaks it down, executes it using real tools, and sends the results back into the same conversation. It handles web browsing, file operations, code execution, and complex multi step tasks, all triggered from a chat message. I will also be telling you what exactly makes it different, but for now, let's get it installed. So what I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to install this AutoClaw on Windows, and we also will install the Telegram desktop, which I already have, but let me quickly show you. All you need to do is to go to this website of Telegram, like telegram.org, and download it for your operating system. You can get both of these installed on Mac and on Windows too. I'm going to go with the Windows one as I don't have Mac. So I already have Telegram installed, which is running on my system at the moment, and I'm already logged in. For AutoClaw, all you need to do is to just click on this download button, and then you can see that it has started downloading for your operating system. The size is just 302 meg. While it downloads, let me talk a bit more around AutoClaw and what makes it different. So if you compare it to OpenClaw, this one is a zero friction entry point. OpenClaw is powerful, really powerful, uh, but it lives inside a terminal. AutoClaw lives where most people already spend their day, inside a chat window. So this is why we are going to install it with the integration of Telegram, and then we are going to throw some real tasks at it and see what it can actually do. Meanwhile it downloads, please also like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. AutoClaw is downloaded. Let's open this file to run this exe. And then you can simply do that install here. It's a single click, literally a single click, not even a new next. And AutoClaw is installed. Let's run it. I'm just going to click on finish and it will run that on my system. There you go, it is loading. Now you can either continue with z.ai or with Google account. You would have to log in order to unlock all features. So let me log in. And the first time when this logs in, it also gives you this security one and all that stuff. You just have to scroll down. Also, it might install an extension in your browser. It's up to you whether you want to go with it or not. So I'm just going to read and agree, and you can see that I am now logged in to this AutoClaw. On the left hand side, you can see that there are 4 agents available for different use cases. You can also connect your IM channels like Telegram and others, and you can set up some scheduled jobs. One thing I couldn't find is to change the background or to increase the font here. So my apologies if it is a bit dull, but there is no dark theme here as far as I can see, but I will keep looking. Now let's connect the IM channels. I'm just going to connect my Telegram. So let's click on it. And then you can just simply click on Telegram for the quick add. And it is asking for your Telegram bot token. Just open your Telegram, go into the bot further. If you can't find it, just search it here in the top, top right. And in the bot further in the middle, just type new bot. And it is asking me for name. I'll just say Fahad AutoClaw bot. And then also the username, same one. And this is my token. Don't worry, I'm going to revoke it, but just grab this token. This is your bot token. And then let's go back here and just provide your token here. We want to pair it on first. If you want, you can do group policies and stuff, but let's add it for now. And my Telegram is now connected, as you can see. And you can now go to your new bot. You can just click here, or you can just open it, click on start, and it has started. This is the pairing code, and you can just go back here and then approve the code. And this is the code it is asking. Just go back and grab this code, and this is where we need to paste the code and approve it. And the pairing is also approved. You can also refresh it, so it is all configured now. And now let's go back to your app, and you can just do deep research or browser use or whatever. So, or you can see that AutoClaw is already selected. You can also, and if you are using any model like from Jaifu or from Anthropic or any other, you would need to have an API key. Anyway, so let's click on quick setup. You can give it your name, and then whatever you want to say. So coding, or let's say coding, writing, research, DevOps. This is my working directory. And the good thing is that they have tried to do some security sort of stuff, like file access restrictions, but make sure that you are aware of its security implications. I already have done a complete video on the security. And then you can just give it a task like go to fahadmirza.com and give me a summary of what this website is about and blah blah blah. And it is going to do that. And there you go. It has used the tools of web search and others, and it has come back with the response. And it is telling me that a personal tech blog accompanying an AI focused YouTube channel, and then all the topics covered, which is quite correct. So it hasn't really made it up. It has actually gone and it has done the web search. Similarly, you can use the browser use if you want, compare AirPods 3 prices on Amazon, and it is going to do it for you. So this is your cron setup. Set up a daily task for this to send me the latest price update for Nvidia ticker or whatever you want to do, like an alarm or something. This is deep research. This is going to take a bit of a time, and this does a very in-depth search on your setup. So these are sort of the things that you can do. You can click on plus and you can have your own session. So you just click here, and similarly this is what I did in the first one, where you can give it a role, your task, and then you can just start talking with it. And for example, if you want to see the Telegram, just go back to your Telegram bot and then say hello or something, and you can just say, can you set up a daily alarm in cron job for me at 6 a.m. Sydney time. And then if you go back to your AutoClaw and go to IM channels, you will see that this is where we are talking with it, and this is where it is going to receive the message. You see the message just popped up, and then it is going to do the work on it and set up or do whatever you want it to do. And then you can see that it has set up this morning alarm for me in the Telegram, and now it is just going to ping me every morning at 6 a.m. in Telegram. So I really don't have to set up any alarm anywhere else. The same goes for any task. As you can imagine, sky is the limit, and we have been checking these magic out in the OpenClaw and its variants for the last 1 month. Things are becoming easier and easier for these sort of agents. And the same message also appeared here in your desktop application, which you can also check out. So that's it. Let me know what do you think about it. I think pretty cool in my opinion. They have done quite well. AutoClaw, very simple, don't see many bugs, but as I said, please make sure that you're aware of security consideration. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X. Thank you for all the support.